Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. Now that the holidays are behind us, I've partnered up with JCPenney to share with you some of my white bedding basics and show you how I refreshed my master bedroom bedding really easy and really inexpensively. When the holidays are over, I am ready for things to be simple and white and just decluttered. And so JCPenney right now has their white sale going on where they have a variety of bed and bath basics on sale and at really reasonable prices. So today I'm going to share some of the things I used to update my bedding. The first thing that I'm going to be putting on my mattress is a new mattress pad. I think the mattress pad I had has been around a little too long and it was time for a new one. I knew I wanted one that had a little bit of extra padding because I enjoy a soft mattress and I already have a memory foam on my bed, but I wanted something that was a little bit softer on top of that as well. So the mattress pad I chose was the Liz Claiborne Luxury Loft Mattress Pad from JCPenney. And I loved that it was nice and full and it was really had a lot of extra padding and I knew that would be comfortable to sleep on. It was also very deep on the sides, which was great because it went around my mattress and all the extra padding that I had on my bed because it had that extra deep pocket on the side. So I had no trouble putting it on my bed. Now, when it comes to sheets, there's so many to choose from. I think getting white sheets is just easy and simple, and they're always easy to clean. So they're great for your bedding, they're great for guest rooms, and I just think they're always a great choice. My backup from white is usually gray. So if you're a little hesitant to do white, just pick a gray. It's a great neutral and works well on the bed as well. I'm so happy with the sheets that I picked out. They're the Luxury Performance 1000 thread count, sateen wrinkle-free, deep pocket sheets. And these are great. I don't like it when sheets wrinkle up on you. So these are essentially pretty wrinkle-free and they're just so soft to the touch. I always try to get as high of a thread count as I can for my price. And these are priced so affordably on JCPenney's website, and all of the products I'm mentioning will be linked down in the description box for you. I just feel like these white sheets are so fresh for winter and they're perfect and just make me feel so calm when I come into my bedroom. If you happen to have some wrinkles in your sheet, you want to use a good fabric linen spray to get the wrinkles out. And I have a DIY recipe for you to make it on your own. Many of you may have these products at home if you're into essential oils. I'm going to show you how easy this is to put together, and I think you guys are going to love this for your sheets. So I ended up buying a kit with the amber glass bottles, and these kits are great. They usually come with several bottles as well as the funnels and the sprays and all the things you'll need to make your essential oils. So in the bottle, I'm going to add 10 drops of lemon essential oil, and also 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Next, I'm going to put in a pinch of Epsom salt, and then I'll just fill it with some distilled water. Now, if you want, you could always add a label to the front of your bottle indicating that it's a linen or fabric spray. What I like to do is spray this on my sheets and it helps to take out wrinkles, and at the same time, it just smells amazing whenever you get into your sheets at night. So this is a fun step to do whenever you're putting your sheets on from the dryer. Next, I'm going to be adding the pillows to the top of my bed. The pillows that I'm using are the JCPenney Home Inner Core Support pillows. And what makes these a little bit different is they have a foam cord piece inside the actual pillows. As your pillow ages a bit, you're not going to lose that support in the middle that sometimes you lose with pillows and then you have to replace them. So that is supposed to help keep the support throughout your pillow. So when deciding on my duvet or comforter, I wanted to go a little bit different, and I could have gotten a duvet cover or a quilt, but when I was on the JCPenney website, I saw the most soft looking just blanket that I wanted to wrap up in, and I knew that was the one that I had to get. So what I picked out for my comforter was the North Pole Trading Company Faux Mink Comforter in Geo. And let me just tell you, this is on my bed right now and I cannot stop. It's just the softest thing ever. I love it. It's reversible, so it's gray on one side and then it has this nice white on the other side. So if you want to change it up and be all white, you can, or you can have it on the gray side. And I love that it's wrinkle free because it's basically like a faux mink, so you don't see any wrinkles in it. And I really don't like it when my comforter wrinkles up because once you make the bed, it just doesn't look as good. And this comforter came in several different styles. So if you're not into the Geo, you could find many different styles. And I know this is going to be so warm throughout the winter, so I cannot wait to snuggle up in this comforter. To finish off my bedding set, I'm just going to add 3 white Euro shams to the back. And then I will put my pillows that are white on the front and then add a decorative pillow. And that is a crisp and clean look for your bedding. I also think this time of year, it's great to have out throws and plushes either on your bedding or in your furniture that's in your bedroom. So on my teal chair, I love to have a throw blanket. So I have this cream throw by Home Expressions, and it's plush and so soft, and it's really affordable. JCPenney also has a wide selection of throw pillows. So I grabbed one of their throw pillows that has nice intricate detail, and it also has fun fringe on the side. And I think this makes an adorable look on your chair, or if you have a little bench area in your room, I think it would be perfect. There's so many white elements that you can add this time of year with your bedding. And if you're going all white with your bedding, you want to add in a little bit of a pop of color in some of your decorative items. Here's a look at how my bedroom turned out. If you're interested in any of the products that I've talked about in today's video, I'll link them down in the description box below. If you're not subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that red button so you don't miss out on any of our DIYs. I post 3 each week, and I'll link our last video so you can go watch that next, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.